Fullerton, guys.
Try mo na lang na ganyan.
Mabigat, my friend.
Oh. Sige na, paano magpapasok? Yun. Then the shoes. Your shoes.
Itan yung sapatos.
Welcome to our new room in Fullerton. This is a mirror that looks like we are cloning a room. This is the power. This is our luggage, but that's not part of what we were talking about. These are 2 toilet papers, a telephone in the bathroom, toilet without a backrest, automatic sink, some soap, bathtub, shower, closet, another closet, table with mirror, mini kitchen, or it's not a kitchen, a little brass clock. Let's open these lights. A new TV made by Samsung. A new room telephone looking more futuristic. A note from the hotel. Another telephone. Some 2 chairs. Another note. A huge mirror the size of a large TV. A couch that can be used as a bed. A king-sized bed. Like, we have an aircon here. 22 degrees. We have this. I don't know what do these look like. Now a remote. Now let's look in here. On behalf of our entire team in the vibrant South Side, I would like to extend a very warm welcome. Another one in here. I guess this is a vault. A fridge.
The vault is
I guess there.
right there.
That's it for the tour, guys.
A few moments later.
Good morning, Eden. Good morning. Oh, there. That's the ocean park. Mamaya, I'll take it.
I thought you were in 2 sausage.
What else?
2 hash browns.
What else?
3 shanks, 4 shanks of bacon. I want fried egg, sir. Fried egg, sir.
Right there, from there. There, I think I think this one, the well done.
That's still medium well.
That's well done. some cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
For decoration though. Cherry tomato. You want some yogurt for breakfast? Oh, I like this later.
Porridge and miso soup.
Smoked salmon. Salmon.
Custard, apple turnover, raisin roll, croissant, croissant, waffles, there, waffles.
Yeah, I want pancakes. Each one have me free. Let's take.
Yeah, one waffle, one pancake.
Apa?
You can sit there. Ganda.
Panda para kay Ethan. Is the one I like it. Nandyan yung panda na bun. Ayan, gusto ko yun din.
Panda?
Bigyan mo sa akin. Papakita ko kay Ethan. Ayan, good.
Yeah. Noodles is this one. Yeah.
Yun na yung vegetable yun.
And this one.
Okay. Thank you. Ano dito?
Alright.
Yung toppings. Stir fry noodles.
Ayun yung congee.
Diyos ko, magpo-congee ka?
Fried dough. Bakut. Okay. Oh yeah. What's this? Gusto ko waffle.
Siya sige. Galing. May panda. Ethan, look what I got. See, that's for you.
Ramen.
You need life jacket, Ethan.
They said you need the life jacket. Choose your color. Yeah. And the other side. Come. I'll help you. I'll help you there. Okay, and then clip it.
How do I? Why? Not gone. Is this here?
Is it cool? Bien lamig. Oh, Ethan, wait. Is it cold?
No.
No, it is. There. Ethan, here. Come up muna. Dito. Come up muna. Hello.
Ginaw na ginaw ang tatay. Ano ga? No!
That's for a noob years old. Yes. Warm dun.
Ay, doon ako gustong magpa-picture, my friend. Diyan, my friend. Ay, nagmayat. Ang ganda. It's nice. Ethan, look up.
No.
No?
In 400 meters, turn left onto Science Museum Road.
What do you want to eat?
There.
May chili garlic sila. I mean it. Tapos na. May pala yung mga ano na kumbaga.
That's it. And then another one. Another one? Yeah.
Oh, may robot tayo dyan. That one. See? So, ito na ang ating breakfast guys. Soup. American breakfast pang may Ethan. May extra plate tayo. Yan ang masarap. Soup for daddy.
Ang chingwang mo.
May Chinese na ang may pa rin. Ilang araw na dito eh. Chinese na. May robot din ulit dyan ah. Kaya na. This is video. Ayan na nga. O, tama. True.
Itan ko muna mag-isa.
Ganda rito guys. Skip it up. Nice. It's nice in here. That's the ocean park over there. Doon kami sa top mo. Doon. Somewhere doon. Sa last. Naku, may naka.
We're going to Macau. Stay tuned, guys, for more.
Yung mga bagahe ni Ethan.